We have mapped more of Mars than we have of our own ocean floor. Below 1,000 meters, sunlight vanishes completely, and the darkness becomes absolute. And yet, in this crushing darkness, life found a way to make its own light. Hydrothermal vents blast superheated water into freezing depths, creating life where nothing should survive. In the Gulf of Mexico, scientists found an underwater lake, a toxic pool that kills almost everything entering it. Giant isopods the size of footballs crawl across the abyssal plains, scavenging in total darkness. In 1997, underwater microphones recorded an ultra-low frequency sound louder than any known animal. They called it the Bloop, and to this day, its origin is not fully settled. The Mariana Trench drops nearly 11 kilometers, deeper than Mount Everest is tall. When James Cameron reached the bottom alone, he described it as an alien world of complete desolation. We have explored less than 5% of the entire ocean. 95% remains completely unknown. Whatever is down there, we are not ready for what comes next.